How to sync audio and video in CapCut. Hi everybody, if you're wanting to do that, you can follow the steps in CapCut. So first thing is you can open up a CapCut and select up a video that you want to sync audio and video to. So once you have selected the video in the bottom, you should be finding different options available. You can go ahead and look at the option that says audio, this one right here. Once you do that, you can go ahead and select up audio. You can choose up audio that you want to sync your video with, any of the audio that you prefer. For example, let's say this one right here, tap on plus to add it like this. You can place it like this. Once the audio is added, you can head over and go to this option that says beats from your given options. So you can tap on this option that says add beat, or you can also auto generate beats automatically depending upon your preference, something like this. After that is done, click on right and you should be finding audio like this. So what you can do next is, in order to sync the audio and video, you can cut out the video to split it out into the bit part like this, or you can also add different videos depending upon the beat. Like if you want to add different videos in each part of the beat, you can just go ahead and add it like this in the beat part. And when you go ahead and play the video, it will be played with the video. It will be played with the audio syncing. So that is it for now. That is how you basically sync audio and video in CapCut. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.